Hello everyone, I'm Sanjay and I'm here to explain our new product called Credible. Credible is an integrated data analytics platform built for companies ranging from startups to blue chips. It enables the company to automate the most tedious manual analysis when it comes to recruitment, product reviews, social background, and business documents. We built this product using Django, which is an open source web development framework running in harmony with Python. The user interface of the product is designed using Bootstrap, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We have got a page speed score greater than 91, which proves the build quality of the website. We have incorporated 4 services currently incredible. They are tweet analysis, app review analysis, resume analysis, and sentiment analysis. All these services have the natural language API of expert.ai running in their wings. We are grateful to the developers of the API since it helped us a lot in analyzing the behavioral traits, emotional traits, and the overall sentiments of the subject. Let me run a quick analysis for the recent tweets of expert.ai. The result rendering time may vary based on your bandwidth. We have used TweetPy, which is an open source tweet fetching package, and Plotly, which is an open source data visualization package in Python. We represented the behavioral traits, emotional traits, the frequency of tweets and likes, the overall sentiment score, and the major interest of the subject based on the IPTC scores from the results. Similarly, we incorporated the necessary analytics to the other services using the natural language API of expert.ai. Finally, let me show you the predictions of the services individually at a faster pace. I hope you loved our product. We are open for suggestions and you can mail us anytime to the address provided in the description or our official website. Thank you.